Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. In this lesson, we are going to learn the names of fruits in Arabic. We eat many fruits in our daily life like banana, mango, orange, apple. So let's just give it a try to learn their names in Arabic as well. In this lesson, we'll be learning the names of fruits in Arabic along with Urdu and English translation. PDF is available in the link. If you want to download this lesson in PDF form along with images and Arabic to English and Urdu translation, you can just click the link in the description box and get the PDF in your mobile. Make sure to subscribe our channel and also turn the notification on so that you get the notification of every single video we upload. The first word of today's lesson is apple. Apple. In Arabic, at-tufah. At-tufah. Seb. Seb. Let's repeat that again. Apple, at-tufah, seb. Grapes. Grapes. Ainabun. Ainabun. Angur. Angur. Grapes. Ainabun. Angur. Pomegranate. Pomegranate. Al-Ruman. Al-Ruman. Anar. Anar. Pomegranate. Al-Ruman. Anar. Banana. Banana. Mouse. Mouse. Kela. Banana. Mouse. Kela. Peach. Peach. Khokhun. Khokhun. Aru. Peach. Khokhun. Aru. Tangerine. Tangerine. Utroja. Utroja. Santra. Santra. Tangerine. Utroja. Santra. Mango. Mango. Manju. Manju. Am. The king of fruits, of course. Mango. Manju. Am. Pear. Pear. Ijas. Ijas. Nashpati. Nashpati. Gava. Gava. Jawafa. Jawafa. Amrud. Gawa. Jawafa. Amrud. Melon. Melon. Shimmama. Shimmama. Kharbuza. Kharbuza. Melon. Shimmama. Kharbuza. Fig. Fig. Ateen. Ateen. Injir. It is one of the dry fruits. Fig. Ateen. Injir. Plum. Plum. Barqook. Barqook. Alu Bukhara. Plum. Barqook. Alu Bukhara. Coconut. Coconut. Naranjil. Naranjil. Nariyal. Nariyal. Coconut. Naranjil. Nariyal. Strawberry. Strawberry. Farawala. Farawala. Strawberry. Strawberry. Farawala. Strawberry. So this brings the end of this video. If you like this video, please do comment and share this video to your friends and family. And also do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.